Mushrooms have been a part of mankind's diet for thousands of years. Hieroglyphics 4,600 years old indicated that the Egyptians believed that mushrooms are a source of immortality. For this reason, the public was forbidden to eat them, as they were reserved for royalty. Fossil records show that mushrooms have been in existence for more than 550 million years. Today, a lot of chefs use mushrooms to create umami, or savory rich flavors. Mushrooms contain glutamate, which is an amino acid that is also present in cheeses, simmering soups, and fish. Aside from their ability to add flavor to any dish, mushrooms are also a good source of B vitamins, vitamin D, phosphorus, potassium, copper, and selenium. Additionally, cell and animal studies with respect to mushrooms have revealed their anti-cancer, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Nature has further shown her generosity by gifting the planet with more than 10,000 known varieties of mushrooms. It doesn't hurt either that mushrooms can reproduce and grow easily. A lot of us, however, would be stumped if asked how mushrooms do this. It's general knowledge that mushrooms don't have seeds that grow into new mushrooms. And they don't even have roots that should have allowed them to be. So why then can mushrooms reproduce, even without seeds and roots? We have the answer. But first, we would appreciate it if you would like this video. Also, please click on the subscribe button. It would inspire us further to create fun and informative videos just for you. Now, back to the mystery. The reason why mushrooms puzzle us is because we assume that they are plants. They are not. And they are certainly not animals either. They belong to a kingdom of their own called fungi. Mushrooms are therefore a kind of fungus. Here's another surprise. The mushroom that we use as an ingredient in the dish we cook is not exactly the actual organism. It is just a fruit. Its living body, called the mycelium, is usually hidden below the soil or the rotting wood, where the mushroom fruit has sprouted. They reproduce either sexually or asexually, depending on their species. Sexual reproduction happens when a mycelium fuses with another. Asexual reproduction, on the other hand, can happen in 3 ways. Budding is when a new part of the body is produced, breaks off, and thrives on its own. Fragmentation is when a piece of the mycelium splits into fragments that grow into new organisms. Production of baby cells called spores. These are usually found on the underside of the mushroom's cap. These spores are normally released in the summer or late autumn. A medium-sized mushroom can produce up to 20 billion spores within 4 to 6 days. Each spore can germinate on its own under ideal conditions. The mycelium is made up of tiny filaments, known as hyphae, which can spread to more than 1 kilometer every day. Its cell walls are made of chitin, which is similar to the hard outer shells of insects. Fungi absorb nutrients from the soil, or wood, where they live. These nutrients are digested by acids and enzymes secreted by the hyphae. Once broken down into simple molecules, the nutrients can then pass through the cell wall of the hyphae and used as food. So that's why mushrooms can reproduce, even without seeds or roots. We hope you have found this episode of AHA, so that's why informative. Please don't forget to like it. Also, click on the subscribe button to get your daily dose of fun and interesting videos. Thanks for watching.